In today's video, I'm going to show you how to swap faces in Canva for free. So start by uploading your photo first. Then next in the left panel, hover your mouse on apps and search for an app called Reface. Now click the Reface app. Start by uploading or selecting from your design. In my case, I'm just going to click on this photo. Then click on Use Selected Image. Now from here in this section, since this is the face we would like to swap, click on the add button beside it and select the face you would like to swap it with. Once done, head over and press swap face. Here you can also see the before and after comparison of the photo. And once you're satisfied, you can add this to your design. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!